Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Logitech Jaybird Vista 2 Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting with your device or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, especially if you've already tried the soft reset. Now this is going to restore the factory default settings, and that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start with these earbuds, have it forget everything it's been paired with in the past. We can do that. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is, first things first, you just want to go on whatever device you've had them paired with in the past and delete them off that device. Once you do that, you can go ahead and put the earbuds in the case as shown here and close the lid. Wait a few seconds and then open the lid. And you're just going to press and hold this button here in the middle until these lights start blinking white. Once they're blinking white, where the light in the middle is blinking white, you can just come in and press this button twice. Tap, tap. Once you do that, the LEDs, if this has worked, they should be blinking pink. Once that happens, you can go ahead and close the case, wait a few seconds, and then you can go ahead and open the case, take your earbuds out, and set them up as a new set of earbuds.